Good morning, everyone. I am Naveen Agarwal. I welcome you all to this short video tutorial on e-invoice exemption declaration functionality. This functionality went live shortly on the GST portal. So the purpose of this video tutorial is to quickly take you through the salient features of this functionality, followed by a small walkthrough of how you can actually use this functionality on the GST portal. So let's get started. So e-invoice exemption declaration functionality is specifically designed for taxpayers who are active taxpayers and who are by default enabled for e-invoicing on the GST portal but are exempted from it, implementing it under various CGST rules. So you are a taxpayer who is enabled for e-invoicing and you find yourself not required to report e-invoicing because you are exempted under various notifications issued under CGST or SGST rules, then you should make use of this functionality. So some of the key or salient features of this functionality is that this functionality is available centrally on einvoice.gst.gov.in portal, and it can be used by taxpayers who are enabled for e-invoicing but they feel or find themselves exempted under various rules. And any declaration made under this functionality will not change your e-invoice enablement status. So suppose you find yourself exempted but you are enabled for e-invoicing, you come and file your e-invoice exemption declaration. This will not impact or change your e-invoice enablement status. And lastly, the important aspect is this is a self-declaration. So you are solely responsible for whatever you are declaring under this functionality, and it should not be taken as something which is verified or certified by the tax administration. So these were the salient features. Now let's quickly go through what are the steps involved in using this functionality. So first step first, to use this functionality, you need to visit einvoice.gst.gov.in portal. It is a central e-invoice portal which hosts all e-invoice related master informations and functionalities which are common to all 6 IRP portals. So you need to go to this portal. Once you go on this portal, there is a e-invoice exemption declaration tab. You need to click on that tab and then you need to log in into the portal using the GST credentials. Same credentials which you use to log in into GST portal. Once you do that, you will be shown a form where your GSTN and trade name will be auto-filled. You need to select the category under which you are filing this exemption. And once you select that category, you need to select the authorized signatory details and fill in the declaration checkbox, and you can submit this declaration using DSC or EVC. And once you do that successfully, an ARN number will be generated, a message will be sent on the mobile app and the email ID associated with it, and you will also have the option to download the same declaration in the PDF format from the website. So these are 5 simple steps to use this functionality. Now let's quickly see a small demo of how to use this functionality. So as I said before, you need to visit einvoice.gst.gov.in on the portal, and you will see this portal, what you are seeing currently on the screen. Select the e-invoice exemption declaration tab. Once you select that, this login option will come. You need to log in on this portal using your GST credentials, same credentials which you use to log in into GST portal. Same username, password, click on login by entering username and password. A declaration message will come informing you that this functionality will not impact your enablement status for e-invoicing, and it is only an exemption declaration filed under various CGST rules. You click OK, and then you will get this form will open. Your GSTI number, your trade or legal name will be auto fetched and filled in this form. What you need to do is you need to select the category, and here it is very important and you need to be very careful while filling this. You need to ensure that you are selecting the right category under which you are filing the exemption declaration. So if you are filing an exemption declaration under SEZ category, you need to select this category, SEZ. Remember one thing very well, once you have selected the wrong category, you will not be able to correct it, right? So you need to be very careful which category you are filling, because this exemption declaration form can be filled once only. So select the right category, and all these categories are as per those mentioned in the notification. So if you have doubt, we have also mentioned the notification under which these categories are mentioned. Okay, so select the right category, click on the declaration form, click on the authorized signatory, a drop down will be there, all your authorized signatories name will come there. Select the authorized signatory, click on the submit button. And once you click on the submit button, system will display this message. So this message is a summary of what you are about to submit. It will show you your GSTIN, trade and legal name, and it will show you the exempted category. Again, once again, please check the category which it is showing. If by mistake you have selected the wrong category, click on cancel, go back, select the right category, come back here again. If you have selected the right category, then you should click on the OK and proceed. Once you click on OK, your system will ask you to validate your declaration via DSC or EVC. You do that, and if you are successful, you will get a successful message, and an ARN reference number will be generated against this exemption declaration form which you have submitted. The ARN details will be sent on your registered email ID and mobile number. With this, the process ends, and you can download the same declaration, signed declaration, by clicking the download button on the portal. Once you go on the invoice exemption declaration tab, you click on download, a PDF will get downloaded. So these are the simple steps involved, and if you want to have a more detailed overview of this functionality, we have prepared a detailed manual. The manual is available on the GST portal, and you can scan the QR code which you are seeing on this your screen right now. Once you scan the QR code, it will directly take you to that manual, and you can download that manual in a PDF format. And lastly, if you want to have more information about e-invoice or related topics, you can visit our YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook page. And with this, the short video tutorials comes to an end. And if you have any queries, feel free to write those queries in the comment section. With this, I thank you all for tuning in. Have a good day.